Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. When learning a new language like Norwegian, it's essential to start with the basics. In this section, we'll introduce you to basic names of body parts in Norwegian, which is a fundamental aspect of beginner Norwegian language learning. Having a solid foundation in body parts vocabulary will enable you to engage in daily conversations and describe physical sensations accurately. Here is a common body parts overview in Norwegian. Hode, hode, hode. Head, øye, 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 eye. Munn, 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 mouth. Nese, 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 nose. Hånd, hånd, hånd. Hand, foot, 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 foot. Learning useful phrases and expressions related to body parts can greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively in Norwegian. By incorporating these phrases into your daily conversations, you will not only expand your vocabulary, but also gain confidence in expressing yourself in the Norwegian language. Here are some common phrases and expressions that will help you navigate discussions about body parts in Norwegian. Jeg har vondt i hodet. Jeg har vondt i hodet. Jeg har vondt i hodet. I have a headache. Hun har blå øyne. Hun har blå øyne. Hun har blå øyne. She has blue eyes. Vi bruker hendene til å skrive. Vi bruker hendene til å skrive. Vi bruker hendene til å skrive. We use our hands to write. Er du høyre- eller venstrehendt? Er du høyre- eller venstrehendt? Er du høyre- eller venstrehendt? Are you right-handed or left-handed? Barna deres har søte små føtter. Barna deres har søte små føtter. Barna deres har søte små føtter. Your children have cute little feet. Learning advanced Norwegian vocabulary related to body parts will give you a deeper appreciation of the language and enable you to express yourself more precisely. It will also provide you with the tools to engage in deeper conversations and discussions on the topic. To help you in your language learning journey, here are some examples of advanced body parts vocabulary in Norwegian. Avstøpning, 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 casting. Melanom, 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 melanoma. Akupunktur, 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 acupuncture. Trommehinnen, 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 eardrum. Skjelettet, 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 skeleton. Kosthold, 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 diet. Learning these advanced body parts vocabulary words will allow you to better understand medical terms, discuss specific conditions or treatments, and engage in conversations about health and wellness. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering one free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for one free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.